Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the student.
Hi guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee. You know that English is considered as a very important language in this world today. To do so, I have arranged a spoken English course. Please dear, have a look.
Hi Nayan, good morning. Nice to meet you.
Hi, good morning. Nice to meet you too.
How do you written in your examination?
Quite well. What about you?
I done well.
When do you think the results will be published?
It may takes 2 months. What do you think? What do you do during this period?
I have decided to improve my English efficiency. In order to do that, I get myself into Western Academy.
Oh, you think right? English is very important in our day-to-day life.
Have you planned anything?
Yes, I decided to spend this period in my village. I and my friend decided to teach illiterate elder people.
Oh, it's a novel idea.
Oh,
Go forward.
oh yeah, thank you. It's time to go now. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Kids World. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Goodbye.